Alright, today we're going to be painting some of our aluminum engine parts while we got the engine torn down. I'm just doing it because I want this engine to look as brand new as possible when I put it back in the truck. Just satisfying feeling knowing there's a new engine in there, and I want it to look the part. So right now we're just painting the aluminum parts. I got my oil cooler housing right here, and I've got it taped off where the standpipe sits. I don't know if having paint in there, if it'd flake off eventually with engine oil and affect the engine, but I don't want to find out. Over here, you can see I already did my rocker boxes, both of them, and my high pressure oil pump cover, and they look brand new. They look just like brand new cast aluminum. And I did 2 coats of primer, 2 coats of paint, cast aluminum color, and then once the engine is assembled, after I paint the block and put the oil pan and these rocker boxes and the heads back on it, we'll put a couple coats of clear coat over the whole thing so it's got a nice shine to it, even though the shine will probably eventually wear off or just get dull. But I don't know, it's just one of them satisfying things, like I said. So what we actually did with these, I put these in the dishwasher to wash the loose oil and grease and dirt off, and it did pretty good. But I mean, it's not going to get everything. You can see, like right there, I have to get that with a wire brush. That's what you have to do on the parts you can't reach. And it does leave kind of it calcifies the aluminum a little bit. You can take a little bit of vinegar on a towel and that'll wipe right off. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this up a little bit more and shoot a coat of primer on it, and then we'll work our way up to the paint. Alright, we got the first coats of primer on. I think we'll do one more coat because the aluminum's a little rough, and then we'll start painting it. I did tape off the gasket mating surface and just any part that would touch engine oil. We got the oil cooler housing down here. It's taped off as well. So yeah, we're going to let this dry about a half hour, put one more coat of primer on it, and then we'll start painting it. Alright, here it is after 2 coats of paint. As you can tell, it looks pretty much like brand new cast aluminum. Got a couple runs in it, but it ain't no big deal. It's on the back of the engine. It'll be on in front of the transmission anyway. You won't even be able to see it. I just want to get this done so when I get the engine ready to assemble, it'll start looking good. But I think I might put one more coat on. Oil cooler housing looks pretty much brand new. Got the rocker boxes and H-pop cover done. It's gonna be a good looking engine when we're done. So if you have any questions, ask me, or feel free to comment. Other than that, like, comment, subscribe. Get part 5 going here soon.